the Opeongo Aerial A1, a revolutionary tent that combines the best of a traditional tent and a hammock. This innovative design, easily suspended between two trees, offers an off-the-ground sleeping experience that's both comfortable and practical. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Aerial A1 features a straightforward two-pole setup that takes just 6 minutes. It even comes with a protective fly to shield you from rain and sun. Weighing only 2.7, it's perfect for backpackers and campers seeking a lightweight solution. Users rave about its comfort, thanks to the elevated surface that eliminates pressure points, allowing for a restful sleep in any position. Priced at $499, the Opeongo Aerial A1 is an investment in ultimate camping comfort. If you're an overlander or camper seeking the pinnacle of rooftop tent luxury, look no further than the ARB Esperance rooftop tent. Designed with convenience and comfort in mind, this premium tent features a quick and easy setup thanks to its low-profile gas strut-assisted opening and internal telescopic ladder. Inside, you'll find a plush 40 mm thick mattress and a generous maximum headroom of 1,200 mm, comfortably accommodating 2 adults and a child. The tent is packed with thoughtful features like a sunroof for stargazing, cargo and shoe pockets for storage, and built-in LED lighting with USB charging ports. For even more space, ARB offers an optional Esperance annex. With prices ranging from $3,600 to $4,300, the ARB Esperance rooftop tent is an investment in top-tier camping comfort and convenience. The Oasis GO Air Lounger. This innovative backpack transforms into a comfortable, inflatable lounger in seconds, offering 6 adjustable positions for personalized comfort. Made from high-quality materials with an ergonomic design, the Oasis GO Air Lounger is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers seeking a cozy spot to relax on the go. It comes with a detachable air mat, which doubles as a sleeping mat or a floating pad, and includes a mini pump for effortless inflation and deflation. Additionally, it features a sunshade to keep you protected from the sun's rays. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just enjoying a day at the beach, the Oasis GO Air Lounger provides versatile, top-notch comfort wherever you are. The Haven Safari, a revolutionary hybrid that marries the comfort of a hammock with the protection of a tent. Brought to you by Haven Tents, renowned for their innovative outdoor gear, this unique product is crafted from 300DD polyester canvas, boasting 4,000 mm waterproofing, ventilation, and bug-proofing. Built to last, it can withstand prolonged use or even permanent installation. The Haven Safari features a flat sleeping surface, ideal for back, side, or stomach sleepers, and includes a deluxe insulated air mattress with an adjustable lounge strap for ultimate comfort. Its design offers unparalleled stability compared to traditional hammocks, with many users likening the experience to sleeping on their mattress at home. Available for $339 on Amazon, the Haven Safari is your go-to for a luxurious and secure outdoor sleeping experience. Meet the Crua Modus, the ultimate all-in-one camping system designed for unparalleled comfort and versatility. This innovative setup functions as a tent, sleeping bag, air mattress, bug mesh, fly sheet, picnic blanket, and even a hammock. Its detachable fly sheet can be strung up between trees, and multiple Modus systems can be connected to expand your camping space. The self-inflating mattress ensures convenience, while the sleeping bag, infused with graphene fibers, offers superior insulation. Whether you're stargazing or seeking a cozy night's sleep, the Crua Modus caters to campers who prioritize convenience and functionality. As of 2019, this comprehensive camping solution was priced at $329, making it a fantastic investment for any outdoor enthusiast. Introducing the NovaDome Shelter, a marvel of modern engineering and design, offering a unique, affordable, and long-lasting solution for various needs. These dome-shaped structures are renowned for their durability and ease of assembly, Constructed from fiberglass composite panels that withstand extreme weather conditions, including up to 30 feet of snow and $180 mile-per-hour winds. The highly customizable interior provides hundreds of configuration options, making it perfect for uses ranging from luxury accommodation pods to concession stands. Often described as a blank canvas, the NovaDome's interior invites unlimited creative possibilities. Additionally, these shelters can be disassembled and transported to new locations, ensuring versatility and convenience. Starting at around $2,515, the NovaDome Shelter is an exceptional investment for those seeking a durable and adaptable space. The Wildland Star Hub Tent, the ultimate portable pop-up shelter designed for outdoor activities like ice fishing and other winter adventures. Known for its quick and easy setup, thanks to Wildland's robust hub mechanism, this pentagonal tent offers ample space for 4 anglers, making it perfect for a fun day with friends or family. The Star Hub tent features full thermal trap technology to retain heat and minimize condensation, ensuring a cozy and dry environment in even the harshest weather conditions. Priced at around $595, depending on the retailer, the Wildland Star Hub tent is a reliable and spacious shelter that promises comfort and durability for all your outdoor escapades. Transform your ice fishing and winter outings with the convenience and efficiency of the Wildland Star Hub tent. The Firecan Deluxe by Ignic Outdoors, a versatile portable propane fire pit and grill designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want to enjoy a campfire or cookout where traditional fires aren't allowed. Made from durable stainless steel, this innovative fire pit features a removable lid, folding legs, and includes a stainless steel grease tray, grill insert, and a 5-foot propane hose. With an impressive 38,000 BTUs of heat output, the Firecan Deluxe provides ample warmth and can cook a variety of foods with ease. Priced at around $180, it's a bit of an investment, but for those seeking a convenient and dual-purpose fire pit and grill, the Firecan Deluxe is an excellent choice. Elevate your outdoor cooking and campfire experiences with this fantastic portable solution. The Alpcour Portable Toilet, a self-contained sanitation system perfect for any situation where traditional restrooms are unavailable. Ideal for camping, boating, fishing, road trips, and more, this portable toilet features a built-in piston pump flusher and a generous 10-liter water tank, surpassing the capacity of most competitors. For easy cleaning, it includes a 360-degree sprayer to keep the bowl spotless. Constructed from durable, heavy-duty materials, the Alpcour portable toilet naturally minimizes odors and resists rust and corrosion. Priced at around $149, it offers convenience and hygiene on the go. The Alpcour Portable Sink, a freestanding all-in-one hand-washing station designed to provide running water without needing plumbing connections. Perfect for camping, boating, outdoor gatherings, or any location without sink access. This portable sink features a 5-gallon water basin, a foot pump for easy water dispensing, a refillable soap dispenser, a built-in towel rack, and a drain hose. Made from eco-friendly HDPE plastic, it is safe, durable, and easy to clean. Lightweight and compact, the Alpcour portable sink is easy to store and transport. Priced at just $39, it offers an affordable and convenient solution for maintaining hygiene on the go. The Around Fire Grill Table, a game-changing portable solution for outdoor gatherings with friends and family. This innovative table seamlessly integrates a stainless steel fire mesh with a dual-fold table, providing both a fire pit and a grilling surface in one. Whether you're cooking over an open flame or enjoying the warmth, the Around Fire table fosters a social grilling experience like no other. Surprisingly lightweight and compact, it collapses to the size of a carry-on suitcase, ideal for camping, tailgating, or backyard gatherings. It's versatile too, accommodating charcoal, wood, or even gas camp stoves to suit your cooking preferences. Starting at $149 for the 4 to 6 person size, the Around Fire grill table offers convenience and versatility for unforgettable outdoor cooking adventures. The Shoal Tent, a truly unique inflatable tent designed to float on water, providing an unforgettable camping experience. Imagine sleeping under the stars while gently rocked by the water, akin to your own personal waterbed. This innovative tent requires no poles for setup, inflates effortlessly, and is built to withstand strong winds, ensuring a safe and comfortable night's rest. And a maximum standing height of 6.3, the Shoal tent comfortably accommodates 3 to 4 people. Priced between $1,499 to $1,999, it offers adventurers a novel way to camp on water, combining relaxation with the thrill of outdoor exploration. The Jetboil Genesis Base Camp System, the ultimate all-in-one cooking solution for car campers and outdoor enthusiasts who value convenience and performance. This high-end dual-burner camp stove delivers 10,000 BTUs of power, offering precise simmer control to a rapid boil, perfect for brewing coffee or simmering hearty stews. The compact design folds neatly for easy transport, and the system includes a 5-liter flux pot, a 10-inch ceramic-coated non-stick fry pan, and a versatile lid that fits both. It even features a JetLink port to connect other Jetboil-compatible stoves, allowing you to create an expansive camp kitchen setup. Priced at approximately $399, the Jetboil Genesis Base Camp System ensures you can enjoy gourmet meals with ease wherever your adventures take you.